Hello YouTube, Mr. Stoney again. Still out in the garage here tonight, contemplating my wiring, and I would like to see if I can get some advice. This is my instrument panel part, of course, and this is my headlight switch. This is a 63 Ford F100 unibody truck, and as you can see, the fuses were in this switch, and now I have a new wiring harness with a fuse panel. I see that this switch comes apart, and I could use the terminals in this and do away with that fuse block if I could figure out a way to test everything. I've been looking at a wiring diagram for the truck, but it's not color coded and it's very confusing. But yeah, my whole deal is I want to keep this original dash switch because I want to keep my original knobs and my original chrome bezel that goes around it to match all my other switches. So anyway, let me know your thoughts and how I can go about maybe testing this, ohm it out, or whatever I need to do to figure out what goes where. And I guess that's it. Thanks guys. Bye.